Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to draw a hoverboard step by step. Grab a pencil and paper and let's get started. Step 1. Drawing the wheels. Grab your ruler and first draw the left one. Leave a smidge of space. Now, round those edges to transform them into the coolest wheels. Step 2. Drawing the main body. Now let's connect those wheels with a rectangle. Not dead center though, give it a stylish high position. Step 3. Drawing the bottom part. Draw the motors for each wheel with diagonal lines, connect them to the body, and throw in a little rectangle between them. Before we continue, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Details about our products and services are in the description below. Step 4. Drawing the wheel caps. Draw a little vertical rectangle for each wheel, bend the outer part. Step 5. Drawing the lights. Draw some cool headlights. Small rectangles above each motor, make them rounded. Step 6. Drawing the pressure pads. Draw 2 rectangles on top. Not too close, not too narrow. Step 7. Taking your drawing to the next level. Add a road beneath. And don't forget to color it up. Grab your coloring supplies, make it vibrant, and bring your hoverboard to life. We hope you enjoyed learning how to draw a hoverboard. Keep on practicing to enhance your drawing skills, and don't forget to check out the video description for more on our art tutorials and services. And let us know if you have any other vehicle requests. Thanks for watching.